Changing your Walmart seller center name is easier than you think. Now, your seller center name is public. That's why you might want to change it. So if you're selling an item, people can just click right here on your name, and then it's going to take them to a little page of your name right here. You might want to change that. And if you do want to change that, you just log into Walmart, and then you're going to click on the settings icon. So let's go right there. It's in the top right-hand corner. Boom, settings. Click on that. Then it's going to take you here. You're going to scroll down company info. Once you're in company info, you can add a logo, make it look pretty, add nice, but just click manage in the marketplace you're selling in. This is going to be the United States. And then that's where you change your name. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Just click manage, change your name there. And then within about an hour, it's going to be changed. And it literally says these details will be visible on your profile for customers on Walmart's website. So yes, this is the right place to change it. And if you don't believe me, I do have another link from Walmart that actually shows you exactly how to change it. Again, you go to your company info, complete the details, what your logo size must be, confirm the steps, and then bada bing, your display name, your logo, your company description. It's exactly what I said it would be. But that's going to be the easiest way to change it within an hour or even a minute. But that's it for today's video. If you want more Walmart videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.